6 municipal corporations in Gujarat voted this past weekend, and counting is underway this week for the Gujarat municipal elections. What are these elections all about? Who's voting? What's at stake? Why are these elections so important? I'm Priyanka Deo from TV9 News, and here's everything you need to know about the Gujarat municipal elections 2021. What is a municipal corporation? In India, a municipal corporation is a local body which governs urban areas with a population of more than 1 million people. Now, this is done through collecting property tax and fixed grants from the state government. Next, what's the role of a municipal corporation? Primarily, a municipal corporation does urban and town planning. Now, this includes things like regulating land, constructing buildings, and it also includes managing water supply for homes, industrial, and commercial use. What's happening in Gujarat? Gujarat is having its municipal corporation elections where each corporation voting will elect new governing bodies. The municipal corporation elections are conducted every 5 years, and this year, the term of these governing bodies actually ended in December 2020, but elections were postponed due to the coronavirus pandemic. 575 seats in the 6 municipal corporations in Gujarat are up for grabs. Last time, the BJP won all 6 bodies. Speaking of these 6 bodies, who is voting? There are 6 municipal corporations that voted this past Sunday, and those are Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, Bhavnagar, and Jamnagar. Registered voters were expected to cast their votes in the elections across 144 wards in all of these 6 municipal corporations. Why only 6 municipal corporations voting in Gujarat? Gujarat actually has 8 municipal corporations. The 2 which are not voting are Gandhinagar and Junagadh. This is because these 2 municipal corporations have not completed their 5-year terms yet. Which parties are contesting elections? Besides the BJP and Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party or AAP is contesting in all 6 cities. Asaduddin Owaisi's party, the AIMIM or the All India Council for Unity of Muslims, is also contesting some seats in Ahmedabad. But what's at stake here in these elections? As I said before, 575 seats in the 6 municipal corporations are up for grabs. Last time, the BJP won all 6 bodies. Now, with that being said, while the BJP has an advantage in these elections, both senior and multiple-term corporators were denied tickets. Now, this is because the BJP Parliamentary Board created new rules of disqualification of candidates and governing leaders. In other words, as a member of a governing body of a municipal corporation, you are disqualified and cannot contest if you are over 60 years old, you are a family member of party functionaries, or you have completed 3 terms. Why do these elections matter? Now, during the last elections, remember that's 5 years ago, back from 2020. So back in 2015, there was a party led by Hardik Patel called PAS. Now, this was basically a party against the BJP, which helped the Congress party out in these elections, especially in Surat in 2015. Now, this time around, Congress has had a fallout with PAS over who is going to get tickets in Surat and has had to give up 3 seats in Surat and 1 in Ahmedabad. This year, the Congress party also does not have participation from high-profile leaders, which can be an added advantage to the BJP. Now, these elections are incredibly important. The Gujarat Assembly elections are next year, and these municipal corporation elections will show voter mood or which leaders and which party the people want in power. Now, this year is also important because the voting outcomes will determine if voters are open to have a third party, which is Kejriwal's AAP, present in its elections and leadership. With that being said, voter turnout was lower than last time for this year's elections. According to official data, the 6 municipal corporations had a 43% average voter turnout, with Ahmedabad having the lowest voter turnout at 39.54% and Jamnagar having a high voter turnout at 52.49%. Average voting figures were 2% less than the 2015 elections. What do you think this says about this year's elections? Do you think the BJP is still going to take the win in all 6 municipal corporations this year? I want to know your opinion, so leave it in the comment section below. If you found this video informative, please like and share this video. Also, be sure to subscribe to TV9 News. With that being said, I'll see you next time on TV9 News. Till then, this is Priyanka Deo signing off. Namaste.